Welcome back. Today, I'm bringing out the Grill Master. I'm going to be making baby back ribs two different ways. I'm going to show you a slow cooker way, and then I'm also going to show you the same recipe on the grill. You ready to get started? Let's go. So before we actually put our rub on the ribs, we will first need to remove the membrane. If you leave the membranes on, you'll run into the chance of having a tougher texture on your ribs or less flavorful. So we're going to remove ours, and you'll start at one end and pull it all the way forward. So for this recipe, we'll need to make our own rub. To do so, you'll need paprika, brown sugar, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, lemon pepper. You're going to mix the seasonings together, and when you put it on your ribs, you want to evenly coat it and layer it on nice and thick. The rub is all on. I'm now going to show you how to stack the ribs. Put 1 cup of water in the bottom. You're going to take one, layer it in. You kind of want to just spiral it into each other, not on top. But this way, they'll be easy to get out when they're done. You're gonna cook these on low, 6 to 8 hours, or on high for 4 hours. All right, our grill is hot. Our ribs are seasoned. I'm gonna go ahead and lay a sheet of foil down just to catch the drippings. You're gonna cook them on low for an hour. So now that our ribs are out on the gas grill cooking, our ribs inside in the slow cooker are just about done. Let's go ahead and pull them out, layer them on a sheet pan, and let's get them sauced up. So for the sauce, you will need 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1/2 cup of red chili sauce, and 1/2 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. We're gonna put our sauce on and put them in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes on a low broil. Ribs have been on for an hour, and now we're gonna put the sauce on, close the lid, and cook them for an additional 5 minutes. Whether you have a slow cooker or a gas grill, you can still have tender, delicious, juicy, falling off the bone baby back ribs in no time. I don't know about you, but something about working outdoors just sparks up an appetite. I'm getting ready to call my boys in here and we're getting ready to eat. Thank you all for joining me in my kitchen today, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.